Another one is inferring. This strategy teaches the students to decipher explicit and implicit information. Inferring means understanding hidden meanings using clues. So, I'll give you an example for you to understand it well. The example of this one is if a character is crying, students may infer that the character is sad. But what if na hidden nga kuan like plastic ra dito ang pag-cry-cry. So, through inferring kay maka-learn ang students about yung about kanang ikuan bitaw nila ang deeper meaning about na nga context. Another is monitoring, clarifying. Students are free to speak and ask questions rather. Students clarify confusing parts of the text by asking questions. So, example is a student may ask meaning of unfamiliar word. So, muna siya ang monitoring or clarifying. Gi-monitor nimo if hala dili ko kasabot ani dapat mangutan ako. So, gi-clarify nimo dito ang teachers. Teacher, what is the meaning of this one? I don't know what is the meaning of this word like that. Ana ba? The next one is questioning. So, participating in learning dialogues through asking and answering questions. So, questioning improves understanding and critical thinking. So, example is students may ask, why did the character leave home? So, kanang if ever nga same kuan siya sa clarifying nga naka-question inana if naka mga unfamiliar words. Ang questioning pud kay bali mo ano bitaw ka nga mo interact jud ka once mag-story ako. Then nakagon teacher nga kuan na then to iingon na po na ako like that. Another one is searching selecting. Searching for more sources to gather information. Students look for additional references to better understand the topic. Let's not stick to one source lang. Dapat mag-explore taog daghan para mas daghan ang makita na nga information. So, example of this one is ganang we're not just going to find information at the books. So, it's okay for us if kanang we're going to find information sa internet po. Another is summarizing. Restating the text in their own words. Summarizing helps students identify the main ideas. I know it's very sabotable naman jud since naka-experience naman jud ang tanan nga nag-summarize. So, for example, this one is after reading a story, the students explain it briefly using their own words. So that is what we call summarizing. The last one is visualizing, organizing. Thinking of mental image while reading a text. Students imagine scenes while reading to improve comprehension. While reading a forest story, students imagine trees, animals, and rivers. So, if ever ato ang giread kina ay nag-fight, mag-imagine po nga na sila gipangdala nga sword or whatsoever nga ilang magamit during sa ilang fight. To conclude, different reading materials help the students to become more engaged and interested in reading. As the future educators, we should use creative and varied materials to meet the needs and interests of our students through this different reading materials and cognitive strategies. And that would be all. Thank you.